Hi, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. I'll be to your guests and also our fellow classmates. So today we're going to present our tutorial week 16. Week 16.
Activity 2. We will be carrying out the discussion.
Yeah,
So,
let's start it.
hey Sarah, for this activity, I would describe a traditional English lesson that I have seen in the classrooms. It's a vocabulary memorization task. Students are given a list of words and definition, and they have to copy each words multiple times. So sometimes they are asked to write the meaning too. And then when they are tested on the spelling or the definition, they will basically know the definition and the spelling, and it will be tested at the end of the week.
Well, I've done that too when I was in school, but it felt very boring and honestly, I forgot most of the words after the test.
I see. I understand. It's not very engaging.
Really?
But then I think students just memorize for the sake of for the sake of the test, not the actual use of the word. So that's why they don't remember. Because they don't actually want to learn. They just memorize for the test.
Alright. So here's how we can enhance that using language arts. Instead of just memorizing, we could ask students to write a short creative story using at least 7 of the vocabulary words that they know. Yeah.
That's actually kind of creative. So they actually use the word they learn in the context.
Yes, and after writing the story, they can present it to the class. So maybe through a dramatic reading, acting it out as a skit, or even drawing a comic strip. This way, they're not only learning vocabulary, but they're also developing writing, speaking, and also artistic skills.
I see. That sounds so much more fun than the traditional way.
Yeah.
Plus, I think when we work in groups or pairs, it will make it more collaborative and engaging. So
Yes.
students will probably remember the words better because they are using them meaningfully, like when they conversing and stuff.
Right. It also encourages creativity and also critical thinking skills. They have to understand the words well enough to fit them naturally into a story.
Yeah, and for the shy students, maybe drawing the comic strip is like less stressful way to express words because it gives learners a chance to shine. Like they don't have to speak, they just draw.
Exactly. So the impact of this enhancement is better engagement, better retention, and more enjoyment. And the classroom becomes more active and student-centered.
Yeah, I agree. This just shows how like a very small change by adding creative elements or like some new stuff can make a big difference in language learning, isn't it?
Yes,
Yeah.
that's true.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, Farah.
And thank you, Sarah. Thank
Thank
you,
you,
everyone.